What's up, drivers? Each year I compile a bunch of my mistakes into a video to see which the worst ones were, and there's been some real howlers over the years from me.
Sorry. Oh, no!
But this year, as voted for by my Discord server, submitters will also be included in this now too, meaning some of the milder stuff is simply being used as B-roll while I'm talking, since we can't include it all. Because this is our 10 worst driving mistakes of 2024. Very mild one from me to start us off with. I simply failed to anticipate that oncoming traffic may want to turn. Classic target fixation to stop with enough space to see around the truck, but very little thought for anything else. This one isn't my fault.
Okay, now!
But being slightly away with the fairies and left foot braking out of sheer panic is my fault.
Okay, now!
Me again for number 8. The question, have I been seen, springs to mind. It's mental how much the A-pillar of your car can cause you to miss, and that's going to be a theme in this video moving forward. My mistake here was not recognising that I was approaching the junction in perfect time to be hidden, and for this guy not to see me. Mix that with my slightly selfish mantra of just getting on with things and never really letting people out when all they'd have to do is wait another 0.6 seconds anyway, and you've got a recipe for a fender bender.
Fucking hell! Genius.
This is one where I should have slowed sooner and not locked in my first choice of what to do. Danger increased the moment that car appeared, and I did nothing about it. Kent Audit takes spot number 7, and he won't need me to go on much about this again, as it only featured very recently on the channel, but he becomes the architect of his own near misses in this clip. The third one is a real head shaker though. You decided to hover in the blind spot of a car that's literally just cut you up at the last junction. Did you think their awareness and ability had miraculously improved since your incident with them 15 seconds earlier? Me again for number 6, and huge kudos to my partner for preventing me from collecting another cyclist on my bonnet.
The cyclist.
Where the fuck did he come from?
That road there.
Well spotted.
I just fully thought you're going to floor it and kill him.
Well, yeah, I would have if you didn't say something.
I can only assume that whenever I looked directly ahead that the cyclist was hidden by a car, or if I did see him, I probably assumed that since he was already cycling on the pavement, that that's what he would then continue doing. Either way, I didn't see him emerge in front of me, and this could have been a messy one. What's worse to miss than a cyclist but a whole-ass red car? I spot the van, but I have no idea how I missed the red car. I didn't even blink, for God's sake. Either way, perfect example of why you should park facing the correct way on the left side of the road. TR Space Star now with 4th place. TR very kindly included his interior cam for this clip, which shows that his mistake wasn't for a lack of observations, but maybe just not effective enough ones. The car he forces to stop must have been behind his A-pillar.
Fucking ain't that junction.
DCH again for 3rd place. This one was a mix of ineffective A-pillar observations, locking onto the car in front, and scanning for the gap I wanted on the next road.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Now I almost made the mistake that this next submitter did on my way home from London Comic Con, but Eli went full send and actually did it. Congrats bro, you've got 2nd place.
Where the fuck did you come from?
I'm confused. confusion.
Must have been in my blind spot like the whole time. It's a good thing I fucking checked my blind spot, innit?
Yeah.
We'll start with Eli, who is merging onto the M8 with his gorgeous-looking VOFO dashcam. Use code DCH5 off exclamation point on VOFO UK to get one yourself. But he doesn't check his blind spot and merges to the second lane very soon after joining from the slip road.
Oh shit.
Eli gets an E for Eli. Before we look at the worst mistake of the year, here's 3 clips that affected nothing and no one but still left me with egg on my face. I'm just driving to my sister's to dog sit when all of a sudden my partner asks me a question.
Have you got keys for cats?
This next clip happened during the couple of weeks when Hull's bus lane times were changing back to allowing us normies to use them during off-peak times. The rest speaks for itself.
See you all later.
What? The bus lane's active?
What?
It's
Oh, fucking hell.
peak time, innit? You fucking idiot.
Whoops.
Funnily enough though, I didn't actually get a fine as the cameras were still switched off. But I did get a fine one night in my mum's car as I'd popped out slightly later than usual, but not late enough to realise that it wasn't beyond 6:30 PM. Shout out to Hull Council who let you download a video of you being an idiot. Finally, this ADHD moment featured in its own short earlier this year, but here it is again anyway.
Wait, lights are on. It's still not realised.
Hello?
Tell Charles he don't have his fucking lights on.
Oh, bruh. Oh, it's 'cause I had my DRLs on, I didn't notice.
Fucking clip that shit.
Oh, what a knob.
That's what the flashing was about, Charles.
I thought you were just saying hi. Jesus, no, I didn't notice. I have ADHD. Cheers, bro.
It should come as no surprise that I take the top spot, and it's for almost sending a drug fiend to the Shadow Realm. What makes this mistake even worse though is that I could see him the whole time. This is unfortunately one of my classic assumption moments.
When you assume, you make an ass out of you and me.
I assumed he was going to stop and look, not suddenly do his 2-second meth jog right into my path.
Oh shit! The fuck, man? Are you fucking brain dead?
This guy had no idea how close he just came to being airborne.
Jesus Christ.
Anyway, if you like this video, please leave it a like and sub to the channel so that you'll be the first to see what cock-ups we all make in 2025. Peace!
Wrong gear. It's the engine trying to stall.